The repaired disc is connected to the spine surgeon. The spine surgeon is connected to the physical therapist. The physical therapist is connected to the patient, who is building up strength. And the patient is finally picking up the reason
Daddy!
he decided to get surgery in the first place.
At Lehigh Valley Health Network's Center for Orthopedic Medicine, our patients are connected to the region's only nationally ranked hospital by U.S. News & World Report for orthopedics. Here, we're treating the toughest spinal conditions by pioneering new breakthroughs with personalized approaches. To see orthopedics in action, call 610-402-CARE to find a surgeon, or visit lvhn.org/ortho. Lehigh Valley Health Network, a passion for better medicine.